Hello students, we will discuss the topic of minor persons. We will discuss the topic of minor persons in a partnership. As we all know, partnership is based on particular agreements between two or more parties. That is the contract. The basis of a partnership is the contract. And we all know that minors are not eligible as a party to a contract. While under the provisions of Section 30 of Indian Partnership Act 1932, there are certain rights and liabilities given if a minor becomes a partner to the firm. The minor cannot be submitted or admitted as a partner or a regular partner under the partnership firm, but he may be given the profits of the shares which a profit-making partnership is going to make. Therefore, the minor can be admitted only to share a profit of the partnership firm, whereas he cannot be the regular partner of the partnership firm. Moreover, there are certain liabilities and rights of a partnership or the partners which are performing their duties under the firm. So, the minor as well, when given benefits or some share of the profit of the partnership firm, has certain liabilities and rights. We will first discuss the rights of the minor. The minor, being a member to the partnership firm, has the right to the shares which he has agreed. First of all, the minor has to be admitted only with the consent of all the acting partners within the firm. Then only he will be having his rights and duties. So, first and foremost duty of the partners as a minor will be to sue the liabilities for the liabilities of the partners. The next right the minor is having is that he can get the benefits which the profit-making firm is going to make. Second, he is also having a right to sue the partners for his share in case other partners are not giving him. Then the minor, after attaining majority, has a right to whether elect and continue as a minor partner or not. First, when he is elected for becoming a partner and continuance of partnership, then he will have to serve a public notice that he is going to elect to become the partner, and moreover, even if he is not electing to become a partner under the firm, he has to serve the public notice and even also to the registrar. Then only he can make liable for the upcoming duties and liabilities which he will be sharing along with other partners under the partnership firm. Next, it is the foremost duty. If the minor is not going to give the public notice, he will be automatically become the partner as a regular partner under the Partnership Act under the provisions given of the Section 30 Clause 7. So, the foremost duty of a minor after attaining the majority is to give the public notice. Until and unless he is giving the public notice, he will not be having the rights and liabilities as a regular partner is having. Moreover, when the public notice is served, that has to be served within the 6 months, the minor is attaining the majority. And if he fails, then he automatically becomes the partner. And then after becoming the partner, he will be having the certain rights and duties which other regular partners are having. For example, the minor partner after attaining majority can give the partners the rights and duties and the shares which he is holding. And moreover, the minor, when he is being the minor partner, he will be having the right to inspect, copy and make the accounts of the partnership firm. So here we have seen how the minors are having the rights and liabilities under the Partnership Act. Moreover, it is the main thing that if a minor is not giving the public notice after attaining majority, he will be not having the rights and duties being a partnership firm. Thank you.